is Joey Mancaruso. I play drums for the band Tor, and I'm reviewing this Table of Ultimate Gaming wall sconce. Hey, what's up, guys? This is Joey. I wanted to take some time here to review the Table of Ultimate Gaming wall sconce. I use these both for shows, touring, rehearsal with my band Tor, and I also use them when I'm playing D&D, Zombicide, and a smattering of other tabletop RPGs. I had been looking for something of this caliber for a long time, and everything fell short until I came across this. It's real wood. The LED bulb inside creates a lifelike flickering flame effect. It's perfect in every way. The beautiful thing about them too is that they're rechargeable and they have a extremely long lifespan. We had a D&D campaign in here for about, I want to say 6 or 7 hours. These things did not dim whatsoever. They have a simple recharging port right here, and they also have a, which is really cool, is there's actually 2 modes. You can do it where it's constantly on, and then you can do it where it's in a 6-hour succession. So automatically turn off in 6 hours and save battery, and then turn back on. The detail that has gone into making these is impeccable. There's real wear. They look like they're battle hardened. They look like they've been in a castle for the last 100 years or so. There's not much more to say to them, that they're just absolutely perfect. One feature that I really love too is the remote control. These things are this thing is awesome, and I'm able to turn these on and off literally with the point of a finger. As easy as that. As you can see, the realness of the flame is incredible. The pulsation, the color, these things show up great, and they look great both on camera and in person. Look no further, get these, because it really sets the ambience, and that's really important for gaming and for when you're playing. Hope you guys enjoy. Rulers of the Realm.